Hello and welcome. Today we are gonna see the QSS of PO Mains reasoning sections and SBI PO, as I'm targeting for SBI PO this year. Last year I have given all the clerical examinations and waiting for my results, in which are scheduled maybe in the March. So first of all, the analysis. So as you can see, I scored 36 and fifth rank, 100% accuracy, and this is my third reasoning sectional mock. So let's start QSS. तो जैसे ही ये रीजनिंग का सेक्शन खोला, so here was a critical reasoning question which required a reading, not a thorough reading but a detailed reading about each of the words. If you understand each of the word, you can easily do the critical reasoning. So there were two questions of this. Then coded inequalities. This was even in the clerical examinations, not so tough. After doing these two questions, there was a puzzle of 8. So I'm not doing the puzzles immediately. First of all, I see full the question paper, especially in this PO Mains examination. So I skipped. Then I saw this puzzle. I also skipped this at that time. Then there was one more critical reasoning, and this was also related to renewable energy resources. There were two questions, I guess. Yes, two questions. So I did that, then moved further. There was this two parallel rows, east west facing, and 12 people. I skipped this. It was of 5 marks, means 5 questions into 1.57.5. Then 6 students, classes, and month and date based, I think. No, month based. And there were 1, 2, and 3 parameters in it. So it was as it was already of 3 marks, so I didn't feel like solving it. Then moved further. This was a meaningful. I did it in last. Then there was this. I think it is called rank based. Yeah, rank based puzzle where 6 cricket players were there and they all have different ranks in these 3 formats, and the clues were given. So I also didn't do this first. Then again, critical reasoning. Whenever you do a question paper, please read all the critical reasonings. Some of them are very easy, and in which you don't like feel aren't sure about the answer, you can keep that. Again, there were 2 critical reasoning, so total 6 critical reasoning. I attempted all of them. There was a coding and decoding question. Could see there in the last there was only x and y but couldn't find the logic. Let's see what is the logic. As it is welcome, so sum of the place value of vowels. Okay, reverse letter of the letter which has second least place value. So this was a typical one, not easy to crack it. So I invested time in it, like 2 minutes, as some of them are very easy that they can be coded from first last or second least letter. Then moving further, I had this C6 person designation made. It was literally very easy questions, and hence it was given at last. So like if you are not going through paper at once, you won't get the time to solve it. It was completed in 4 minutes only, like mains SBI puzzle in 4 minutes. So yeah, it was kind of very easy. It was even solved without taking any conditions, like very easy. First of all, I completed this puzzle, then I went to this puzzle. I took 9 minutes, I think. I don't know why the people take 6 12 minutes, and there were two vacant floors, lots of conditions, but yeah, only one was successfully fulfilling all the clues. So after completing this 5 marker puzzle, I was confused in doing this 6 cricket one and this one, as it was seating arrangement circular based, like most of we practice it daily in prelims, so it was kind of familiar, but I don't know why I found this to be done nicely. Or so I did this, even it took 11:45 minutes, but yes, it I did it. So after doing this, I had left about 1 or 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I did this meaningful based person. Got same these two, Ugolid and dialogue. I was confused like Ugolid is a word or not. But I was familiar to dialogue, so did question based on this, and unfortunately they were correct. So this is the QSS. First of all, you complete all the critical. I mean, like you have to read all the critical reasoning in these papers. Some of them are very easy, and some in which you feel like doubt. You can leave them, but if your reading is good, you should read all of the critical reasoning and complete all the miscellaneous here, but there were only two miscellaneous, and if you put this, so four miscellaneous, and then pick the puzzle like which is easy and gives you more marks. Like this was easy and it was giving 5, like 5 into 1.5, 7.5 marks, and pick puzzle according to your doing capabilities, like which of them you are good at it. So this was the QSS selection. I hope you like it. So thank you and keep preparing.